In this video, you will learn how to change the batteries in your Guardian Z-Wave thermostat. Locate the Z-Wave thermostat with the low batteries. Change the heat-cool mode to off by pressing the mode button and change the fan to auto by pressing the touchscreen where the fan icon is displayed. Next, remove the bottom cover by pulling from one side at a time. Next, remove the existing batteries. After the old batteries have been removed, install the replacement batteries while paying attention to polarity. Ensure the positive plus end of the battery matches the positive plus symbol inside the thermostat. Once the new batteries have been installed, reverse the previous steps to replace the bottom cover. Now that the bottom cover has been replaced, change the heat-cool mode by pressing the mode button to select the desired mode. Log on to myguardianhome.com or launch the Guardian Protection Services app from an internet-connected device. Select the desired temperature to ensure the target temperature is being displayed on the thermostat. Note, this may take a few moments to show up. For further questions, visit customercare.guardianprotection.com, or you may want to contact our customer service department.